Dear students, in last class we have discussed about general trends and the properties of p block elements. There are few properties we have discussed. What are all the properties? For example, electronic configuration, oxidation state, then metallic nature, up to metallic nature, and then one more thing, ionization energy we have discussed in the earlier classes. In this session we are going to study electronegativity. See, one of the property of p block element now we are going to discuss. So what is electronegativity, and then from 13 to 18th group what will happen, what is the trend in the electronegativity of p block element, that's we are going to discuss. Let us see. The electronegativity, the word or the term electronegativity is defined as for example, before that, how the electronegativity is defined as the most electronegative atom, in a molecule there are two atoms. In a molecule there are two atoms, the bond formed between two atoms. In the chemical bond there are two electrons which is present in the chemical bond. In a molecule, the pair of electron, one of the atom, the pair of electron attract towards itself. In a molecule there is a chemical bond. The bond one of the atom and the bond pair of electron attract it towards itself. That is called electronegativity. Electron cover, it's a character, so it has no unit. There is one simple representation of electronegativity. See that element, one of the element, the most electronegative element, the most electronegative element is fluorine. Electron pair, the electron pair so that will become negative. So in the mari character தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம்னா electronegativity. இந்த phenomenon பேரு electronegativity. The atom பேரு electronegative atom அப்படினு நம்ம சொல்றோம். Right? So what are the general trends in electronegativity of the group 13 to group 18 அப்படின்றது பார்க்கறோம். From group 13th group பாத்தீங்கன்னா boron to aluminum, the electronegativity generally what will happen, decrease ஆகுது, குறையுது. ஸோ இதுதான் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பார்ப்போம் பீரியாடிக் கிளாசிஃபிகேஷன் ஆஃப் எலமெண்ட்ஸ் இந்த லாஸ்ட் இயரில் படிச்சிருப்போம் நம்ம. டுவோர்ட்ஸ் லெஃப்ட் டு ரைட்டு எக்ஸப்ட் அட்டாமிக் ஆர் அயானிக் ரேடியை, மற்றதெல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கும்னா டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும். ஸோ டாப் டு பாட்டம் அட்டாமிக் ஆர் அயானிக் ரேடியை இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும், அதர் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் டிக்ரீசஸ், இந்த வைஸ் வெர்சா இதுதான். ஸோ இது 1 மார்க் கொஷின்ஸும் கூட, சரியா? ரைட். தென் up to boron to aluminum decreases, then marginally ரெகுலராக இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுது, இன்க்ரீசஸ் ஃபார் கேலியம் வரைக்கும் ஆகுது, இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுதுன்னு பார்த்தோம். தென் அப்புறம் என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தம்போது சிமிலர் ட்ரெண்ட்ஸு, இதே மாதிரி similar trends is followed in the group 14th groupலையும் இதே மாதிரியான similar trends நம்ம பார்க்குறோம். as well in other groups, as we move down the group, what will happen, the electronegativity as move down the group what now, electronegativity decreases. So these are all the general trends in the electronegativity of p block elements. Then The very important properties that we are going to learn now, anomalous properties of p block elements. Anomalous means different. Anomalous means different. Anomalous means different. Anomalous property, மாறுபட்ட தன்மை, different character. Pass one. So the one of the important properties of p block elements, the anomalous properties of p block element, different or otherwise we can say illogical or contradictory அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். We can say like that. So தாறுமாறான முரண்பாடான பண்புகள், that is due to எதனால் வருது, the p block elements பார்க்குறோம். The very first property என்ன சொல்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா, before that anomalous property is due to the first member of each group. The first member of each group differ from other elements in the corresponding group அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். Say for example boron, then carbon, then nitrogen, then oxygen, then fluorine, and then helium. Actually here neon is there, know that. So the first member of each family or each group are different from other elements. Say for example boron, and then aluminum, carbon, then silicon. So you say like that, it will be going on, isn't it? Nitrogen, phosphorus, right? So the first member of each group differ from other elements of corresponding group. இதுதான் நம்ம மெயினாக சொல்கிறோம், corresponding group. The factors which is responsible for the anomalous behavior or anomalous property, that is due to the first one similar or otherwise are smaller in size. Smaller in size, right? First member smaller in size, first member smaller in size of first member of the group. The next one, high ionization energy, high ionization energy, and what is that? Electronegativity. Then one more is absence of d orbital in the outermost shell. So outermost shell. So these are all the properties, these are all the factors which is responsible for the anomalous properties of p block elements. P block element. Say for example boron, the 13th group. In 13th group boron is metalloid. So other members of 13th group are active metals அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். So in these kind of properties which is responsible for these factors, what is that? Smaller in size, high ionization energy, and electronegativity. Because we are moving towards left to right, what will happen? The electronegativity, ionization energy, everything is increased. That is due to nuclear charge, electronic configuration. There are some factors which is behind it for the reason why the ionization energy is increasing, right? They say here also same that the atomic radius, these kind of trends in the properties of electronegativity due to atomic radius, change in the atomic radius, as well as some similar property, some of the properties which is responsible for the increase in ionization energy as well as electronegativity. So these are all the factors which is responsible for the anomalous properties of p block elements. So the next session, the very next session, we are going to discuss one by one groups, 13th up to 18th group. So what are all the general trends in the anomalous properties of the p block elements? Regarding one by one we are going to discuss. So throughout the session we have discussed electronegativity. Once again I would recall that electronegativity is the kind of property to attract electron pairs in a molecule. A bonded atom attracts a pair of electron towards itself. It is called electronegativity. So what will happen in the electronegativity? Top to bottom decreases, towards left to right it is increases, right? Then similar trends in the general trends in the electronegativity in the group we have discussed. And then anomalous properties of p block element also we have discussed. Anomalous means contradictory, and then we can say illegal, illogical, muranbadana, tarumarana. Okay, right? Anomalous property, that is due to the factor responsible for smaller in size, and then high ionization energy, and then high electronegativity, then absence of d orbital in the outermost shell. So so far we have discussed those things. In the very next class we are going to discuss the anomalous properties of p block elements. We are going to discuss one by one groups. Thank you.